Hey guys, it's me, KDot. Okay, I'm going to officially start what I've been doing. What I've been planning to do for a long time on YouTube. And that's to create challenges, tags, etc. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing something called the Strip Down Challenge today. And no, that does not mean I will be stripping down. This means I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes and I have to talk for 10 minutes straight without stopping. Um, so yeah, I have my timer set for time. I have my timer set for 10 minutes and we're gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, beep! Alright, so I've been doing well. I thought I'd do this because many of you have missed the Hollingtonian updates. And I wanted to do something similar. Um, so yeah, the strip down challenge is just the thing I need to do. Um, I don't think I got into too much detail, but my Hollingtonian updates were filmed in a different room than this one. First of all, as you can see, I got finishing up there. My old room didn't have finishing. I moved to St. Augustine, Florida, and for those of you who don't know, St. Augustine is the nation's oldest city, founded in 1565, so it was 450 years ago. Oh my gosh, that's such a long time. Um, so yeah, I moved to St. Augustine. I love my new room. Um, Still collecting bags. For those of you who don't know, I collect bags. And yeah, um, I've been watching a lot of TV and movies lately. And it's all thanks to, if I can find it, and it's all thanks to, I can't find my remote. Anyway, it's all thanks to my Roku. Ah, there it is. It's on the floor. Thanks to this thing, I'm able to watch TV and movies anytime I want. I've been watching a lot of Disney Channel on it. So, I want to talk about my favorites of 2015. So, my favorite movie of 2015 was called Bad Night. Many of you who may not have heard of it, it's a movie about two teenage girls that while on a field trip they decide to get out of their hotel for a night and have some fun. And that's really funny. I would definitely recommend it for all of you who want to watch something new. It did not come out in the theaters. It came out on Vimeo on demand, or Netflix, or iTunes. So yeah. I just wanted to talk about Bad Night for a little bit. Alright, my favorite TV show of 2015 was Casey Undercover. It's still airing on Disney Channel now. How much time do I have? 5 minutes, 49 seconds, sorry. So, Casey Undercover is a TV show about a teenage girl in high school that is the undercover spy, and she has to balance out her regular teenage life with her spy life. It's kind of like Hannah Montana, but it's more interesting than Hannah Montana, in my opinion. Another thing, I've been watching Disney Channel programming, which is Casey Undercover. Casey Undercover is Disney Channel programming. I've been watching Casey and all my other favorite Disney Channel shows on this thing, my Roku, because, yeah. And Bad Night I own, but it's not on my Roku, it's on my PS3. And I also have the digital file for it right here on my thumb drive. That way I can watch it everywhere. No, I'm not gonna do that, but I already have it on my PS3. So another thing, I've been thinking about my Google Plus lately. I actually was thinking about my Google Plus page right before I started recording. And I want to remind all of you that I do not check my Google Plus page often. So if you leave a comment on Google Plus, I probably will not see it until like 6 months later. So if you really want to give me a comment or talk to me, tweet me at KevinKdot or post on my Facebook wall, facebook.com/K.Hollington. Or what you can do is text me. That's right. I still have the Hollington hotline running. And I love it. I love my Hollington hotline very much. So you guys can give it a call anytime, whenever. Its number is gonna be 612-524-8128. It might be out of area for your it might be out of your area because it's a Minneapolis-based number where I'm from. So if you're under 18 and want to call it, please ask mom or dad before calling. How much time do I have? 2:06. Another thing, my computer has a very small battery life, small hard drive, so I don't know how much space will be in this hard drive after I stop recording because, yeah, I've never stored a video this long on my hard drive. No, scratch that. I have. Bad Night was an hour long and it was 3 gigabytes. So I've had 3 gigabyte files on my computer. And yeah. Oh, I think I should mention this too. I haven't been playing it often, but this, my Nintendo GameCube right over there. I have Super Monkey Ball 2 inserted. So I'm very excited about that, and I play it a lot. 41 seconds. In closing, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video and all my videos that I've ever posted on my YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. And, yeah, I have like 72 subscribers right now. Let me see how many subscribers I have. 72, yes, 72 subscribers. And that's my timer going off. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching my videos today. And I'll see you later. Bye, you have been talked to.